Marcelo's corner. Ronaldo! One of his luckier goals. But under the tenure of Rafa Benitez, one of his more significant goals.
Well, there's real joy this time of the celebration for Ronaldo. What a volley.
Mental strength under Simeone these days. There's Ronaldo!
Oh my goodness!
You don't save those! Out of this world! And the kind of brilliance that will win you a La Liga title, it's him again!
And still to play, they play tomorrow against Eibar at Mestalla.
Bale's ball in to Ronaldo! Sevilla 1, Real Madrid 3, Sevilla 1, Cristiano Ronaldo 3.
What a header from Cristiano Ronaldo. Not much more the defender could have done about that.
Has Cristiano Ronaldo still got the legs? Yes, look at him fly. Moves inside Ronaldo! Cristiano Ronaldo! He's in good shape.
That's typical, absolutely brilliant. Turning defence into attack, Real Madrid, in the blink of an eye.
Toma aire el portugués. Situada la barrera, suena el silbato del colegiado, le pega a Cristiano. ¡Golazo! ¡Golazo de Cristiano Ronaldo! No precisó potencia en esta ocasión. La colocó como si fueran tiralíneas. CR7. Perfecto.
It's 2 wins from half a season, isn't it? Which is...
Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. He's getting ready to shoot. Oh, that's the result. It's a rip-roaring effort by Cristiano Ronaldo. The man just doesn't let up. Another brilliant goal. Such power, such accuracy. The goalkeeper barely blinked and it was past him.
Futbolistas del Málaga pidieron penalti. Di María, muy pasado. Sergio Ramos de cabeza. De espuela, gol. Marca Cristiano. ¡Qué gol ha hecho Cristiano metiendo la espuela! En un recurso que para él casi parece absolutamente natural. Cristiano que ha logrado ya en 37 minutos un hat-trick.
Oh, you beauty! And that's why he's the costliest footballer on the planet.
Just words cannot express. I mean, how can you stop that goal? The power he generates and the movement on the ball. Look at the precision of that shot. It's just inside the post.
Aiming for a 10-point lead at the top of the Spanish Championship. Cristiano Ronaldo! Something special for his hat-trick goal. And a landmark goal for Real Madrid, Jerry.
Well, I tell you what, Rob, you're not going to see much better goals than that. What a hat-trick and what a third goal. Unbelievable movement, his skill, the power, the technique.
Relationship is non-existent with the Spanish media at the moment. It's Ronaldo! It's brilliant! Well, watch out, Manchester United on Wednesday. A game of big emotions it will be for Cristiano Ronaldo. He's almost in a position here, if he wants to play, he plays. And he scores a fabulous goal.
Attenzione alla cross, pallone che resta lì, pericoloso, Cristiano Ronaldo col tacco addirittura! E che gol di Cristiano Ronaldo! 1-0, il colpo del campione dopo 9 minuti del secondo tempo. Il Reale in vantaggio con un gol strepitoso di Cristiano Ronaldo.
Khedira on the flip over the top. PK, oh, he's lost the ball. Big chance for a second here. Cristiano Ronaldo takes his time, still got time. Oh, 2-0.
This is great skill. Flicks it with the back of his heel over the top of Gerard Piqué. What a fantastic piece of skill from Ronaldo. Steadies himself up and then bang off the foot of the goalkeeper, Victor Valdez, and into the back of the net.
Having elapsed, Faso with a clearing header only as far as Di Maria. Oh yes! What a goal from Ronaldo! 50 goals up again for Cristiano Ronaldo. How many times does he go to the well and pull Real Madrid out of trouble? Brilliantly done by Ronaldo. He's running free of all yellow shirts here. It's Cristiano Ronaldo!
What a goal.
A magnificent goal! And in that moment creates a Real Madrid club record, the first player in the long, illustrious history of Real Madrid to score in his opening 4 league matches. And it was brilliant.
Lost all but one of their games. As Ronaldo scores!
Well, the goalkeeper had a long time to see that, Sergio Alvarez. And at the same end, where Ronaldo scored from a long-range free kick at the weekend against Real Sociedad, another goalkeeper is deceived.
Ronaldo, they all back away from him again and he shoots. Oh, it's got in! A second goal, a thunderbolt from Ronaldo. Real Madrid are looking unbeatable here. We knew it was a tough game, but 2 fabulous strikes. That one through the goalkeeper might just be a little disappointed.